Introducing the powerful new OptiPlex family. Work your way with intuitive AI-based personalization. Expand your world with support for up to 4 native displays. Customize your workspace with a wide range of accessories. Secure your data from device to cloud. And shrink your footprint with the most sustainable OptiPlex lineup yet. Reliability and intelligence that revolves around you.
Accomplish more with productivity-enhancing accessories for your OptiPlex all-in-one. An additional monitor doubles your screen productivity with a complementary design. Enjoy a clutter-free workspace with a Dell wireless keyboard and mouse. Dell Pro Stereo headset brings lifelike clarity to your audio and is certified for Microsoft Skype for Business. Skip the login with simple one-touch Dell wired mouse with fingerprint reader. Easily secure ports and accessories with an AIO port cover. Fine-tune your view with a height-adjustable stand with optional DVD RW drive. Or bring everything into reach with an articulating stand. Get the most out of your OptiPlex all-in-one with powerful Dell recommended accessories.